Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable and use dictation for typing in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to any application where you can text your information. I'm going to open my notepad. Now I'm pressing on my keyboard Windows plus H. Here you can see the option. If you want to enable this, then go to Settings, then turn on this button. Now click on this mic icon. Hello, can you hear me? So you can see how it works. So this is how you can enable and use dictations for typing in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.